Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install MongoDB along with Compass and Shell. So let's get started. First thing, just Google MongoDB. We'll be getting the official link. Click it, and here to the top we'll be having this products drop down. Select this and we'll be having this community edition. Click it, and after this here we are having download community. Select this, and if you scroll down over here we can choose the version. These are the oldest versions. I'll just go with the latest one, and here we can choose the operating system. Mine is Windows, and just select MSI. Okay, you can just close this and click on download, and the download will be getting started. It is around 750 MB in size, so just be patient till then. So once the download is complete, just open it. So we'll be getting this MongoDB setup. Just click on next and click on I accept and next, and here we are having two options. One is complete and custom. I would recommend you to click on custom, and here we are having an option to change the location of installation. So by default it's going to get installed in local disk C program files. So in case if you are having very less space in your local disk C, you can just click on browse and change the location to local disk D. So once you are done changing the location, just click on next, and these are fine, don't touch any of these, and select next and click on next also. And before that, here as you can see it's saying install MongoDB Compass. Make sure that this is checked, don't uncheck it, and click on next and click on install. Once the installation is done, just click on finish, and we will be having the MongoDB Compass automatically started. Just click on start, and that's it. We'll be having this, and click on add new connection over here. So this is fine, this is the localhost path. If you want to have a name for the connection, you can just have it. I am fine with this. I will just click on save and connect, and that's it. We have now connected to localhost. So these are the default databases that we are having. Okay, so in case if you want to create a database, click here and let me just give a name. I will just go with the demo, something like this, and we can have a collection name also. I will go with demo table, something like this, and click on create database, and that's it. We are having our database and the collection over here. In case if you want to add any documents, which is the data, you can just add it over here. So this is with MongoDB Compass. Now let's see how we can get MongoDB Shell. So for this, just Google MongoDB Shell and we'll be having the first link. Click it, and here if we scroll down we'll be having this MongoDB Shell download, and just click on download. So it is about 49 MB in size, so just be patient till then. So once the download is complete, just go to your downloads folder and extract it. So after it is done getting extracted, you can simply cut this and put it in some other folder. Just go inside it again, and you'll be having here the bin folder. Inside it, click here and just copy the path. Okay, now just go to search, edit. We will be having the edit the system environment variables. Click it, and here select environment variables, and under user variables or system variables, just select path and click on edit. Select new and just paste it. So you need to have the bin folder. Okay, click OK everywhere. Now just open the command prompt, and we will be running the command mongosh, the exact same thing that we are having over here, and just hit enter, and that's it. We will be getting this MongoDB shell over here. So we can just run the command show dbs, And here, as you can see, I'm having this demo DB which we created from MongoDB Compass. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.